Okay, here is the Unit 2 test review. So, page 1. Solve the equation for x. So we want to solve for x. So I want to add 10 to both sides. Add 10 to both sides. That goes away. 7x equals 21. I'm going to divide by 7. Divide by 7. I get x equals 3. Alright, number 2. I am going to hide that. So, we got to get x by itself right here, so I'm going to subtract 7 from both sides. I get negative 2x equals negative 16. And divide by negative 2. On both sides, I get x equals a positive 8. Alright, number 3. I want to get x by itself. I'm going to subtract 8 on both sides. Goes away over here. I get 10x equals a negative 20. Divide by 10, divide by 10, x equals negative 2. Alright, solve for the equation for p, so literal equation. So I want to solve for this. I want to solve for that. So what we need to do is distribute first. We got to get it out of those parentheses. So I need to distribute. I get 10p plus 30 equals, I got to distribute the 4 to the 3p and the 8, negative 8. So I get 12p minus 32. Let's get our p's together. So I'm going to subtract, I'm going to subtract 10p from both sides. I'm left with 30 equals 2p minus 32. Alright? Sorry, this isn't a literal equation. We're just solving for p. I'm going to add 32 to both sides. 32 to both sides. I get 62 equals 2p. I'm going to squeeze it in right down here. I'm going to divide by 2. I'm not going to write that. But I get p equals 31. Alright? I'm going to solve for p here. I see some parentheses, so I got to distribute first. So I get 12p plus 6 equals 12p plus 6. Looks like the same thing. I'm just going to get rid of my variables. I'm going to subtract 12p from both sides. Goes away here, goes away here. 6 equals 6. That is identity. Okay? Solve for p here. I got to distribute first. I could distribute this fraction. Let's just distribute. Or we can try and get rid of it. It looks like it's going to be a nice, easy to distribute, so we can distribute that. 4p plus 12 equals 1 half times 6 is just 3, and p comes along. 1 half times 24 is a positive 12. Alright, I'm going to subtract 3p from both sides. Subtract 3p. I get p plus 12 equals, this goes away, equals 12. I'm going to subtract 12 from both sides. I get p, goes away over here, goes away over here, but it's really 0. I need something over here, so p equals 0. That's a solution. Okay, which of the following equations have the same solution? So we just need to solve these. So this guy here, I would add 5 to both sides, right? I would get x equals 14. Over here, maybe I'll write this one here. 2x plus 7 equals 35. Subtract 7 from both sides. I get 2x equals 28. Divide by 2, I get x equals 14. This one is x equals 14. Maybe there's more than one though. Let's double check them. So over here I get, I'm going to distribute this as I go. So I'll write it right here. 2x plus 14 equals 35. Subtract 14 from both sides. I get 2x equals 35 minus 14 is 21. I divide by 2, I get x equals 21 over 2. That is not an answer. not 14. Let's double check this one. So I get 3x minus 6 equals, I'm going to distribute 2x plus 8. Subtract 2x. This is my equal sign. Subtract 2x from both sides. I get x minus 6 equals 8. I add 6 to both sides. I'm going to write it over here. X equals 14. So this is x equals 14. D, B, and A all have the same solution. Alright? Which of the following here have the same solution? So I'll rewrite this one. 2x plus 1. I'm going to distribute as I put it over here. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times negative 8, negative 24. I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. Try and get the x's by itself. 1 equals x minus 24. I'm going to have to add 24 to both sides. I get 25 equals x. So x equals 25. Over here, b. I would add 7 to both sides. 18 plus 7 is 25. So this is x equals 25. I'll rewrite this one. 5x minus 10 equals 115. Add 10. Add 10. We get 5x equals 125. I got to divide by 5 and divide by 5. 125 divided by 5 is 25. So this one is x equals 25. What about this guy here? I'm going to distribute negative 3x minus 18 equals a negative 2x. I'm going to add 3x to both sides. Maybe you did it a different way. I'm going to do it this way. We get a positive x equals a negative 18. This is x equals negative 18. Not the same. B, A, B, and C. All the same answer. Whoops. Sorry guys, you didn't see that. That's the work we did down there, and we got A, B, and C as the same answer. Okay, that is page 1.